Leo's rocket slide. Leo stands at the bottom of the new slide. Kids zoom down like rockets. The sun glints on the metal. Leo tugs his shorts. He steps back. Sneakers squeak as he circles the base. "It's huge," he whispers. A yellow balloon floats past his nose and bumps his cheek. A girl waves from above. "You can be my co-pilot." He climbs up, holding the box tight. Fingers grip the rungs rough against palms. Wind flaps the edge of his shirt. At the top, wind flaps his shirt. He steps onto the cold, smooth plastic of the slide floor. Leo shouts, "Blast off," and slides down. The slide hums like a rocket engine. Air whooshes past his ears. He lands soft in the wood chips, laughing so hard his belly wobbles. The yellow balloon bounces beside him. The balloon waits for the next flight. Leo grins, breathing deep, ready to go again.